Well, it is Thursday. Um, we move this over here. This is what, week 3? Week 4? Wow. You guys are doing awesome. I just want to say that even if you didn't get everything done by today, you still have a free day tomorrow. So don't sweat it at all. Just keep making progress. Keep going forward. All right. Let's see. Yesterday we did language development. So today we're going to do effective expression, writing to compare. Okay, so this is about comparing the news blog and the memoir. Uh, and from what I can tell, you are going to be writing an explanatory essay in which you analyze ways the authors of the two pieces present information about the same topic, the friendship between Laura and Maurice. So you're going to be comparing and contrasting these two pieces. If it helps you to make a Venn diagram, and that's the thing that has the two circles where you have things that are different, and then in between where the two circles overlap, you put all the stuff that's the same. That may help you visualize the differences and the similarities before you start writing. But, you know, just have fun with it. I'm going to just make it a couple of paragraphs, maybe 2 paragraphs. Compare and contrast. So definitely just tell the things that are. I'm not going to make you do all the planning and pre-writing. This would be if it were a multi-day task. Um, that is, something that's useful to do that we will do eventually. But what I want you to do today is just write a couple of paragraphs. Maybe have one paragraph talking about all the things that are the same between the two writings, and then in the second paragraph, contrast. What's different? What's different in the memoir? What's different in the blog post? Um, and yeah, just put that all together and send it to me in a doc. I think that'll be a good way to spend your Thursday. Also, for math, we're going to be getting ready for rates and proportional relationships, something we've been working on here in class as well. Um, Ratios, uh, equivalent ratios, proportional relationships, they're all very important, not only to seventh grade math, but also to everyday life. If you ever want to know um, unit rates, how to make sure that you're not getting ripped off and all that kind of stuff, you're going to want to know proportional relationships. So I think you will. I think you should be able to do this entire thing today. And if you want to save a little bit for tomorrow, that's fine too. Just get it done. All right. Science. The cells are the building blocks of life. We're finally getting into life science. So, of course, life science begins with, well, the building blocks, cells. So, definitely read up on cells, all the different kinds of cells, plant cells, animal cells, and how they are the building blocks of life. It looks like um, you got about 3 questions here, it looks like. So, go ahead and put those in a doc, submit them to me, and move on to social studies. All right, social studies. Um, whoa, people are talking. Uh, social studies. This is going to be on page 73. You are going to read it to page 77. This is about the African slave trade. Don't worry about locate, but go ahead and start with identify and work your way through the section 3 review. All right. And I really hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Do something fun, do something for you, enjoy it, and I will see you back Monday. All right. You guys have a good one.